Oh boy, everyone, what's going on? What's going on, everybody? Wow. Okay, what in the world is happening right now when I'm talking? Welcome, everyone. I was not intended to have a live stream right now, but I think it's fair to discuss what's going on right now with I'm talking. It's insane. I expected not this that we're seeing right now with the coin, but oh boy, let me welcome everyone to the chat, to the live stream. I'm talking passing 5 cents in less than a couple of hours since the last time that we spoke. That is insane, guys. That is insane. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Um, oh no, wait. Tell me if you guys can hear me well. It is pretty interesting and insane if you guys are watching this. Um, there's a lot of things that are happening. I'm still kind of catching up because yesterday I was telling you right here on the live stream, I believe, no, on, some of the videos that we were taking a look at about the resistance level. But oh boy, AMP is going insane, guys. That's insane. And typically I don't even do videos on Sundays or live streams right now on Sundays, but this is unbelievable, guys. Welcome, welcome. Let's all jump into the chat. Empire, I'm calling the Empire. What's going on, guys? Come to the chat, destroy the chat. Like what's going on? You guys are gonna help me understand what's going on because, like I said, just I was eating. I was just doing something else. I was kind of actually checking my merch. The merch store cannot even speak. It's Sunday. Come on. But I'm like just looking at the price of I'm token. I'm like, what's going on, guys? No way, guys. Welcome to the chat. I see a lot of people. Thank you so much for stopping by. I'll be here just for a while because I wasn't expected to see the price of I'm token. You're seeing right now the resistance level. Everyone, I'm gonna go to 3 months. Shattered, everyone. Shattered. Bam. Take a look at that. That's amazing. The RSI, the MACD. I do have somewhat of an idea of what's going on. Yes, Derek, it is Amazon or a major company. Absolutely. I have here on Reddit, Amazon digital currency. There's questions about being adopted by Amazon. I also was looking at BitBoy, and he mentioned in one of his last videos about two of the cryptocurrencies he was gonna put money into, or I think he put into, and it's Algorand and I'm token. And guess what? I have Algorand and I'm token. We believe in the projects. It's gonna get insane, to be honest with you guys. This is Oscar. Go ahead, give us a like, subscribe, turn on those notification bells so you don't miss any AM token, cryptocurrency, stocks related information. Please, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's get the people right here, guys. Let's get the people right here. I typically don't do lives or videos, you guys know, on Sundays, but I looked at the price and I'm like, what in the world is going on? No way, guys. That's insane. Like, we broke resistance like this. Now, for those who don't know how AM token or cryptocurrencies work, expect a pullback. And oh, look at that. It's happening. It's happening. Here's the pullback, boys. We reached 60, 62. I saw it. Let's see. I'm going to draw a line right now. Where is it? Horizontal line. So here it is. That's our first resistance at the moment. You're seeing it right now better. The Loopy Lone Texan, how you doing, my man? Welcome, 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 everyone. I'm gonna be reading the chat right now. I'm just kind of looking at the chart. Thank you so much for the support, Crypto Mike. Welcome, my man. Welcome. But just take a look at this, guys. Like, that's insane. I was actually listening to Crypto R Us. He was doing a live. I don't know if you were like watching him, and he was talking about AMP, and I'm like, okay, let me just see what's going on with AMP, because I checked the price earlier today, right? And I'm like, wait, 5 cents, great, 5 cents, amazing, awesome, but what? Okay, it seems that it's pulling back a little bit more right now, guys. Take a look at this. My portfolio in Gemini exploded. And that is why we tell you, everyone, that is why we tell you, don't panic sell. Don't panic sell. Come on, everyone. Everyone, give us a like and a subscribe. We have 40 plus people here. Come on, go ahead, like, so more people watch this and it's recommended on YouTube. Let's go, fam. Let's go. We can do it. How's my audio? Is the audio good? I was just rushing to get here and see you guys. And I don't even have water, so I have to go and get water. Oh boy, it's Sunday. What can I say? Well, we have Tom Collins, Natalie, Don, Alex, Derek, John, Kenneth, Cody, Alex, Joe, Oscar. What's going on, guys? What's going on, everyone? Just really quick saying hi. Tom, Levis, Michael, Alex, Derek, the Loopy Lone Texan. How you doing, bro? Natalie, Crypto Mike, Jesus is God, the Neil, Alex, and much more people. So basically, what I've heard on the Facebook group chat, if I go to the Facebook group chat, let me go to the group. It's right here. So let's see. If you guys are not in this group, just join. It's a great people. I post my videos here. They're awesome. They always let me post my videos. So let's see. Once I reach $1, how much your profit will be? A lot. But anyway, that's the group. I give a shout out always to the group. They're always really kind, really awesome with me. Are you part of the group? Let us know. What's up, Hector? What's going on, guys? Ethan. Hey, Ethan, what's going on? Jesus is God. What's up, DCA week? Hey, if you guys bought during the dip, like 3 cents, like I was telling you guys, it's gonna come. Like if I go and keep scrolling back, I told you guys it was gonna come back down. Came back down twice. We found resistance. We found different supports. Then it was bloody red. For those paper-handed people, they swap to other cryptocurrencies. Fine, you can do whatever you want with your money. But I mean, the ones who we hold, the ones we understand the project that it's gonna take time. Everyone, this is not gonna be realized overnight. This is what we get. We bear and enjoy the rewards of today's, specifically Sunday. Because typically during the weekends, cryptocurrency doesn't perform so well. That's just the way that it is typically. Look at the RSI, everyone. It's coming back down right now, you see? Now it's 5 cents again. So here's the resistance, everyone, for all to see at 60. What was 66? That's 66. Yes, that's 66. So 6 cents, mid 6 cents, everyone. That is the resistance we got from this pump. Now, what in the world is creating this pump? Let me see. Crypto Mike, the more merchant use of Flexa, the more institutions will buy it and stake in order to make the value transfer system accessible by their users. The network effect, market prices go up. Now, I do know about the Amazon thing, guys. You guys know about that? Let me know in the chat right now because I'm learning as I go. Like, I was just enjoying my Sunday. Let's see, Crypto Mike. What's happening is BitBoy did a video on it this morning, taking a big use by Amazon. Yes. Then I've heard a comment by Crypto R Us saying that, he was a little iffy on that. My thoughts, I haven't even checked it out, so I have to do my research. Typically, I do that later today, so then I have a good video tomorrow, which will have a video about I'm talking tomorrow, right? It's back to 6 cents. Great stuff. The Lupulon Texans, because Bitbot said Amazon will use Flexa. So you have an idea, everyone, how a YouTuber can, make people do things. And do wise decisions. That's what I'll tell you, right? Invest when you can afford losing. Now, once again, my portfolio in Gemini is doing fantastic. $7,000. In like a couple of hours, from 6,400 to 7,000. Very grateful. Coinbase, how we looking on Coinbase? The compound, Solana, the graph, Polygon. Oh well, Polygon is actually in the negatives today, and the positives we have. What is this? REP. Haven't heard of this one. Is this new? Uh, we'll have to check later, but gladly we have AMP token in the top two spot with 21% at 6 cents. That's fantastic. That's really good, especially for being such a movement token. I think that's incredible. 6 cents, everyone. What do you think? 6 cents. Here's my resistance level from yesterday and from 2 days ago, where I was talking about I'm token, and from my live. I believe I did it on Friday, and it completely shattered. Now, will it come back to mid 5 cents? I think possibly yes, but I mean that's just it's a new high from what we had here, so that is great stuff. I love it, which means that the all-time low of 3 cents, like mid 3 cents, could be gone. What do you guys think? Steve M. I'll snack more when it goes back down to 4 cents. I think that's a good strategy. DJ Flexa was playing in the shallow waters. Yeah, I mean, remember, these pumps are typically created by whales or by people who have big pockets. They buy a lot when it's red, and then that's what happens. Plus, influencers stepping up. But in the end, uh, long term will is going to win all the time. So just hold it, because timing the market it's really something that not many people can do it effectively. Cody, even if you bought at the high point, hold it long term. AMP has amazing utility, so once it expands, it will grow even beyond its high of 12 cents. Cody Bennett, that's what I believe, buddy. That's what I believe too. You can try to buy and sell like day trade cryptocurrencies if you want, but I mean, I don't typically do that unless I do have. It's not even day trading. It's like prepared trading. Unless I already have more than 500% profit on cryptocurrency, then it does make sense to sell, right? Because you already made your money. But I mean, doing it day by day, you're not gonna win every single time. So why take that take that risk? I just don't take it. So Coinbase, we're doing well at the number two spot. My Gemini portfolio looking fantastic. Okay, what's going on here? So why is I'm moving today? Oh look, even Yahoo Finance wrote about it. Let's see. Okay, this was written 1 month ago. Because I don't know if there's a specific article about, or was it just BitBoy saying about the Amazon thing? Was he was his prediction what's really driving today's? Maybe, I don't know. Because if it is, hey Harold, hola. Because if it is, I mean, it's a big pump. It's rocketing right now, right? But um, I think that demonstrates how people react to, to like news like that, because this just happened in the last couple of minutes, which is cool. Let's see, Ether scan. Okay, we're now at 29,000. That's awesome. We're growing, boys and girls. We are growing. Fully diluted market. So it was Saturday yesterday, the 24th, and now it's the 25th. So we grew by 300 and pretty much keeping coming up. Well, I'm just really excited, honestly, because I mean, just looking at my portfolio in the last couple of. Okay, there you go. Come on, Gemini, work. There you go. Just looking at my portfolio. If your portfolio looks anything like mine, then you understand, not moving, just buying when it's low, and that's it. And let's see, Gemma, Coinbase. I hope your Sunday is doing well, by the way. I hope you're having a good Sunday. Even better with this news for AM token. So it seems that it's coming back down. So I'll just leave it there. So what do you guys think? Will Because it's early morning on a Sunday. It rose big league. Probably could be tied to the Amazon news. That is weird. Ethan David, how is Algo doing in your opinion? I think Algorand was doing well. Let me check. 88 in the last week, plus 10%. That's really not bad, Algorand. I have Algorand. I'm earning 4%. I mean, it's doing well. Plus, I mean, BitBoy said, spoke about it. So, I mean, smarter people than me, I mean, or people who have a little bit more following, more experience. I mean, I think that's fantastic. I think for tomorrow, I think I already know what I'm gonna be talking about. But I mean, the fact that I'm here is for you guys to understand that it's cool to have these pumps and levels, right? If we go back to the chart, here it is. Now we have identified a new resistance level, and I think that's great. I think that's great. Because now you see, right, how things are moving. And if we stayed in this level from 6 to 5, that's what I pretty much said it could happen in my last videos. But I wish AMP token can continue moving like this, slowly but surely. Of course, with the typical pumps and dumps from whales. I mean, you cannot do anything about it in that regard. But that's just what it is, right? El Mencho manda saludos. Hey guys. People FOMO, fear of missing out. I think what's gonna happen, guys, and this is true. Like I understand this is so important. People right now are looking at the price of AMP token and they're like, oh, it's gonna rise a lot. Buy it, buy. So people are buying a lot right now. Buying. What they don't know is that it's gonna come back down. So us, most of you who are watching, we bought it somewhere here, right? So right now we're still making money. So right now, this spike, this green candlesticks, that doesn't happen very often. You can see this. This is typical AMP behavior, right? This is not. This is great. I mean, we love to see it, especially if you bought it, let's say you bought AMP token at around, or back in, even back in June the 22nd. Let's say you bought AMP token back in June the 22nd. You had about 10 minutes of probably exiting that position because we just reached that price of AMP token in the last 10 to 15 minutes. You see what I'm saying? So typically that's not the behavior of AMP token, but you have to enjoy these pumps and say, okay, whether you make a decision of buying right now or selling right now. For us, and for most of us, it's just buying when it's really blood on the streets and deep red. That's what we do. Hey, the loop loan text says we have to be careful with the rumor. It's true. That's why, I mean, I don't know, like I think more news will come out, especially for Amazon, because I haven't heard anything. I'm just here because I saw the press and I'm like, oh boy, we have to talk something. We have to create some discussion, right? I want to hear from you guys. But let me see what Reddit is saying, because 5 minutes ago, let's see what when that's another cryptocurrency could possibly be using text. So I think just a conversation has started and on Reddit, and just people are gonna be continuing, because now I think it's really becoming more and more popular. Everyone, I see it popped more with Crypto R Us and BitBoy and crypto coin or something like that it's called. So yeah, basically. Darwin Ortiz, you're confused as far as why it jumped so much. Well, Darwin, it's because it's cryptocurrency. Remember, this is not a stock, right? Well, I mean, stocks also jump like this, especially the penny stocks. But it just happens. Remember, it never stops. It never stops. So one concept about cryptocurrency that I learned is that for stocks it could take, let's say, 2 days to reach this resistance level, right? But for cryptocurrencies, it takes sometimes minutes for it to reach this resistance level, and then it corrects and comes back down to the support. That's just the way it is. Like right now, look, now you see the red candlesticks, right? And now we're at five, like upper 5 cents, almost 6 cents, and now it's coming back. Just take a look at the RSI. If I go to year to date, this is what we're gonna be looking at, right? Just a green candlestick. But I like to go to 1 month or something more specific, so you're starting to see, the corrections and the movements, the price movements. So yeah, I mean, in my case, I already have enough amp right now. Of course, I want to add more, but in my case, just wait. I mean, I always wait. Typically, I always wait most of the time when it's red or when it's just not very popular, right? Like right now. This is what I told you, I believe, 2 streams ago. Like when nobody's talking about it, that's when you buy. You don't buy right now. Okay, right now there's a lot of people who are sadly buying here, which is fine. You guys can do whatever you want. Of course, you can see the volume here. If I zoom in a little bit more, the volume, let me see. Yes, volume, here it is. So yes, see, a lot of people are buying, which makes no sense, right? Like for some reason, they think it's gonna reach 15 cents today. In my thumbnail, I have 5 cents reach, 15 cents 2021, because that's my prediction. Even in my description, it is in my previous videos, my prediction for the end of the year, not July, but end of the year, 15 to 20 cents. That's what I calculate. That's what I believe it could reach. I can be wrong for sure, but it does take time. And even Bitcoin is doing very well lately. Let's go back to home. 34,000, guys. That's amazing. That's great. Al Gore, and look at this, 4%. That's fantastic. I like Cardano is back to, getting away from the 90 cents territory. So that's really good. Let's see this article. Yeah, basically they don't say here exactly why, but they're just explaining what we already know. So I think the latest news is what happened with BitBoy, right? Let's go to YouTube. There we are, everyone. Thank you so much for the support. If you haven't done so, go ahead and like the video, please. BitBoy Crypto. So let me find the video. Yeah, this one. Here's the one. I just invested $200,000 in 2 projects, and you can see that I was watching a little bit, right? And he says, "What today I took a look at why AMP and Algorand may be integrated into a secret Amazon crypto plan." So that itself, with 65,000 people watching him, could have triggered something in the market right now. And for us who we're looking at, I'm talking on a daily basis, Well, that is, I think, because I'm talking, it's not like Ethereum or Bitcoin that, not only you need, I think, more of a top person to really move the price of the cryptocurrency, right? In this case, I think what he said probably could have triggered something, but still, um, still I'm happy because even though you can say whatever you want about a cryptocurrency, I mean, it doesn't really obey you. There should be something there, uh, facts like solid evidence that I don't see, right? Like for example, right now, what if a whale bought, and that also helped today? So really, a lot of things that I don't know, but it's like to report it. It's like for you to understand and do your best. Um, Mr. Jamieson, welcome, buddy. Like the flex. Ampanson. That's a good one. That's a good one. Um, CryptoMike plus AMFXC has always moved in tune with Bitcoin. CryptoMike, well, to be fair, it is not just Bitcoin saying it, also Elon Musk talking other day, and some of the what Jack was saying definitely brought Flexa to mind. Mm-hmm. ¿Cómo estás, amigo? I'm doing well. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Whole Foods owned by Amazon, correct? And Home Depot already use Amplexa. Maybags below it. That's true. They use the Speedin. You have Speedin app, so you can also pay with Speedin. I downloaded Speedin just to kind of test it out. Every single crypto video I watch on YouTube has been 110% wrong. Spy Smuggler, that's probably true. And I always try to, either do my research or say everything as close as to the truth. Let me know if I can improve. Crypto God, people are chatting about pumping due to Amazon. Okay, yeah, well, it went on 20% 6 days ago. What is your price prediction? Hey, Swoop, how you doing, buddy? What is my price prediction for AMP? Well, let's go back to the chart year today. So here it is. Let's see. Look at this, everyone. It's right here. So there you go. So what you're seeing right now, okay, you don't see. Okay, I hope you see my my mouse there. It's over there. But that's the end of 2021, right? Let me check my phone and see the live is doing well. Always like for you guys to have the best audio quality, etc., etc. Okay, yeah, it seems it's doing well. And thank you so much for the likes, guys. If you want to subscribe to the channel, I'll appreciate that. We talk about stocks, Roth IRA, cryptocurrencies. Check the links down below in the description. Get free money in cryptocurrency stocks. I just opened my merch store, so the link is down there. Patreon for talking with me on Discord privately, so I help you in all your investments, not only crypto. So when it comes to our price prediction, so right here, this is how long we have till the end of the year. So there it is. That's the end of the year, pretty much. Those two red dots. Particularly, what I think could happen is that from here, let me see this. Yeah, this is good. Let me see. I'll say something like that. And that will be a great scenario for AMP. That's one possibility. But here's another one. Let's use this one. Another possibility that could happen is the following. So you are starting from here, and then boom, boom, and then you go above the chart. Like you saw right now, pumps could happen at any time, right? So you have to be prepared and always buy at the dip. What I'm saying is that pumps and contraction, retracements, pullbacks will also happen as well. So the best way to prepare for dollar cost averaging and making the most money in cryptocurrency, guys, is by buying when it's deep red. And my prediction is around above 15 cents. That's what I predict, but can be wrong, and always do your research. But that's what I think. That's good. Hey, Chris, and hey, welcome, buddy. Good to see you. Yes, Whole Foods used by Amazon, and also Amazon used Flexa for payment. So what does this tell you? Has been killing RRP. That's cool. Welcome to all the new people that are here. We're talking AMP token today because it's making big moves, everyone. Some people want to see or want to know the price prediction for AMP token by the end of the year, and I think that's totally fair. Right now, AMP token, it's sitting nicely at upper 5 cents. Earlier today, we went all the way to middle 6 cents, which is great. Because just on Saturday, everyone, Friday that I have my live stream and we talk about AMP token, I said that we needed to break this resistance level, and we did massively. So let me tell you this, guys, to all who are watching, 90 plus people who are watching. If we stayed at this price for this entire coming week, that's a win. Listen to me, guys. If we stayed at this price this week, coming week, like 5 to 6 cents, mid 6 cents, that's a win, because we're coming up. That's what we needed. So I think it's just about patience and DCA. Hey, Morris. Hey, Oscar. I haven't seen the predictions for RAM up until 2026. Okay, 2026, that's a long time, right? I like to just stay conservative at this point on 2021, but I mean 2026, that's a big jump. Let's see. Reaching 20 cents, for example, what scenario will allow AMP to explore far over 20 cents in 2026, or is this prediction realistic? I think 2026, 20 cents, that's far more realistic than any other thing. That's very conservative, and I think it could happen. Knowing that, because this is how I base my predictions, guys. Bitcoin. I know some of you may not be very into Bitcoin, but Bitcoin, guys, is like saying, how will you know that the dollar it's strong compared to other currencies in the world? The Federal Reserve and the U.S. power across the globe. Like, the currency is nothing without the power of the country. Just to give an example, right? So for us in cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, because it's still in a way early cryptocurrencies for adoption. I mean, not for actually being aware of cryptocurrencies, but the adoption is still growing. We're still in baby phase, guys. Like in my last video on Saturday, I talked about the crypto pump and like the different things that are happening. JP Morgan now letting clients buy cryptocurrencies. JP Morgan, which before the JP Morgan CEO said, no, if you wanna recommend cryptocurrencies, your job may be on the line. So there you go. Second, who was it? Amazon. I think Amazon hiring a top product cryptocurrency lead for cryptocurrency. So the adoption is coming up slowly but surely. But it all starts with Bitcoin. Like, I know Flex and AMP we all love and know, but we're not even a percent who know about Flex and AMP token in the United States. Let that grow to 10%, to 5%, and then we'll see the AMP grow a lot. So back to this. Let Bitcoin rise to 60 again. and you tell me how much Flexa AMP token will rise with it. I'm ready to see that. I'm ready to see that. Absolutely ready. If we come back to 10 cents, nice and steady 10 cents, that's a super win by the end of the year. What do you guys think? SAJ, I'll show you your message. Why not? Santa Fe Mike, Oscar Ramos, I did DCA on the way up early on, but when AMP dipped to 6 cents, 5 cents, and low 4 cents, I dumped ready cash into it and brought my average down to 558. And that's what you do. Santa Fe, hey bro, and I appreciate your email. Thank you so very much, buddy. You are the man. I think that's what happens when you do investing right in projects that are not scams, in projects that are not what is the word? Ponzi schemes. There you go. Ponzi schemes in works and projects that are not like, hate to say it, but elongate and what is the name? Mars something, I forgot. And I know Shiba Inu has an amazing community, huge, but I mean those types of projects I'm way more skeptical. But projects like AMP token, Algorand, Cardano, Ethereum, Bitcoin, guys, you don't have to ask me twice, right? Morris, and thanks for all your hard work and commitment. Thank you so much, Morris. Do it for the fan, for the community. Thank you so much, guys, for staying here, tune in with me. Of course, give us a like and subscribe, turn on those notification bells, and that's more than enough. Honestly, that's more than enough. The Empire. Let me go ahead and start a poll. There you go, guys. A realized company. Shout out to Oscar channel. Call me keep it straight. Thank you, buddy. Appreciate it a lot. Are you ready? Is the Ampere ready to see AMP token run? I think we're ready for it, guys. But I think I'm gonna go back to the example and the great testimony from Santa Fe Mike. I did DCA on the way up, and on the way down, he also, stayed below. I mean, buying what he could afford, and that's it. And then when you see this, you're like, oh, there you go. It paid off. It paid off. That says what it is, right? You may be into Cardano, you may be into Algorand, you may be into Bitcoin, you may be into whichever project you want to be. Then that's the way. Less complaining, less panicking, less FUD, and just more mature thinking. That's it. I think that's the way you're going to get it. Time to accumulate more. Harold, hey, what's up? Harold R2000. Yeah, I mean, honestly, I do want to increase my size to probably 75,000 AMP token. But am I going to buy right now? No. I want to wait for another dip. Like some of you said, maybe 4 cents. That will be my entry point. So I'm already telling you right now my entry point, 4 cents probably. Because 4 cents will take us here below this green candlestick. So right now this is the all-time high in the last month, right? In the last, about like the last month, all-time, or like in the last 3 weeks, 6 cents, 6 cents, mid 6 cents. That's great. Like, guys, that price, we saw that price not but until June 22nd, which means that we reached a price that we were back a month ago. So a month ago it was just about declining, and now we're coming back. That's pretty awesome. But always trying to check the resistance and support levels, right? That's, I think, my point. If we stay sticking to the 5 cent, mid 5 cent for the rest of the, at least for the rest of today, oh boy, I think that's golden. That's really golden. Set your alarm on ready for a stop loss. It's true. Big Z. Hey, Oscar, did you see BitBoy Crypto talking about Amazon possibly accepting AMP? That is exactly what we were talking a couple minutes ago, Big Z. And yes, I was watching that. I did not watch the entire video, but yes, I know that happened. Alrighty, ending poll. Let's see how many we got. Pat Graham, Algo, much better project. Explain, and that's why I also own Algo. That's what it is. I mean, you have a lot of different opinions and why it's so much better for you to diversify and buy whatever you believe in. That's it. Because right now there's a lot of projects with like for gaming stuff. I've heard a lot of it, like people making videos about like the top 5 cryptos to buy right now, and people are also showing the gaming tokens. And honestly, I'm not into any of those at the moment. Like, I haven't really researched much. One thing you have to know about me, everyone, I just like to stay close to what I know and to grow my portfolio. That's super, super important. I started doing that in stocks. I started doing that in my Fidelity Roth IRA long term. Yes, take the opportunities and be risky, but I like to have a great foundation first of something I know it works, and then branch out. That's what I like to do. And I still want to build my foundation for Ethereum and Cardano and etc. etc. So I see you. Resistance becomes support. Exactly. That could happen just today. We're right in the middle. We're right here. Let's go to the 1 month. Look at this. It's coming back down. So let's look at this. So it rose from, according to TradingView, right now from 4 cents, 40, yeah, upper 4 cents to middle 6 cents. Just take a look at this, guys. And this happened in like what, 2 hours or so? Wait, 2 hours or like a day or so? That's great. Hi, Oscar. Could you read my comment, a few comments above, and give me your guidance? Is what I'm doing a smart way to build my portfolio? Let me find your comment, buddy. Of course. Oh, here it is. I hope it's this one. Mine has gone up 11 to I have sold, and I'm going to invest on back when there's a dip, slowly but surely going to increase my profits. I can afford much, so it's the best. Oh, okay, 11 pounds to 17 pounds. I think that's a pound, like the British pound, right? Um, I think that's not really okay. Well, maybe you got a lot of tokens, but I mean, anyway, if you want to do that, I think that's fine. I will always recommend to hold it just for a while, just so you get an idea. If you're actually starting with cryptocurrencies and AMP, just get an idea as far as how the cryptocurrency moves. That's the first thing I do. Like, I already know how Ethereum moves. I already know that Ethereum hardly can come back down below $1,500. So I already know if I buy below $2,000 soon enough, I'll be above 2,000. You see what I'm saying? With token is different. With Bitcoin is different. So all cryptocurrencies have their unique tokenomics, and they behave differently. That's what it is. So yeah, I think that's the first thing I'll tell you. Just enjoy the ride, be patient, don't rush anything. When we have spikes like this, we come as a community, we celebrate, we chat. We're like, no way, this is happening. Let's see what are the companies that are adopting cryptocurrency. What are the companies that are embracing the future and stuff. But let us not be blind to what possibly can also cause like a catastrophe problem if the governments and keep regulating and keep messing with cryptocurrency. I mean, that's what it is. Because that's what we were talking on Monday. Remember, that's exactly what I was talking on Monday with my video crypto crash. It's been a week. Now let's see what the government has to say next week, and we'll have more news and just different things. So you have to be willing to stand to fight in the good times and in the bad times. Okay, that's what I can tell you. The Lupulon Texan, what's up, buddy? Ethereum 2.0 is a great investment. I do have some Ethereum 2.0 on Coinbase. Let me show you. Well, I didn't buy it, but I'm staking that. So I have 0.05 Ethereum 2 right here. So you buy Ethereum on Coinbase and then you stake it, but you cannot take it away. Like, it's already there locked. And Algorand, I already have $2 from Algorand passive staking on Coinbase, which is great, by the way. 30K amp here, P underscore. That's great. That makes sense to you, and if that's great for you, then that's great for everyone. Guys, a little bit over 100 people. You guys are insane. I don't deserve this much support and views, but I just want to say thank you to all of you guys. What a beautiful Sunday. I hope that you're having an amazing time. Please go ahead, like, subscribe, and turn on those notification bells. We talk about stocks, Roth IRA, cryptocurrencies. We're looking at the price of AMP right now as it evolves, as more people are getting to know, because I started talking about AMP token in, I believe, April, and I remember my channel started to react a little bit differently than when I was talking about AMP token. My audience started to kind of change to more crypto stuff, and right now there's a lot of people behind the project, and we support it, and we're going slowly but surely. So yeah, thank you so much for all the support. And if you guys want to talk to me, comment, and I always try to respond to all your questions. If you want to talk to me more privately for more kind of like advice, there's my Patreon page link down below. Just click it, check how the membership works for you, and I'll welcome to the team. We have a great people in there. If you're trying to buy AMP token, because there are kind of like many different ways to buy cryptocurrencies, but there's one way that I really like, which is the IRA way with tax advantage. So just go to my link on the Trust Capital, sign up, get a free 1 month with my link, and then you buy cryptocurrencies without paying taxes. So you can read all the description there. And if you want to support the channel even more, I just released my merch store. So click there and you'll see all the designs. It's pretty cool. Why are people unliking this? Because I love it. People have their own opinions and their own likes and unlikes. We welcome them. Likes, we welcome them. I welcome everything. It's all feedback, and I love that people disagree with me. It's great. It is what it is. Love below on text, and what makes you think it will dip below 5 cents again? It can stay 5 and 6 for a while. Now I'm believing it can stay 5 and 6 for a while, but I always have the because you also want to be a little bit greedy and to get those special deals, right? So it can always dip below 5 cents for a while and then come back up. If it does come back up, that's a good indicator that 5 cents to 6 cents could be the like the new consolidation average price, because right now we have this massive rally. Okay, now it's pulling back down. Let's see how much is that retracement, and that will give us an idea as far as how AMP token is doing at the moment. Okay, that's what we're looking at it right now. I see you just sub. Thank you, very appreciate it, bro. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You guys are awesome. Here's the group. Always trying to support the group. And there's a lot of people talking here. It's just great stuff. Huge potential. And on the Ether scan, yeah, there's more people even now. More people, more holders. So on July the 11th, we had 26,000 holders. Now we have 29,000 holders. So who wants to be the 30,000 holder? Oh, let me see what position we're on Coinbase. That's true. Position on Coinbase. Oh, we're still 9. Oh, look at this, guys. Look at this. Oh, this is interesting. 63% sell. Guess what people are doing? They're selling. Boom. Mic drop. Well, in this case, pen drop. People are selling right now. According to Coinbase, right? On Coinbase, right? People are selling right now. How do you guys like that? What do you guys think? 37% buy, 63% sell. And I think that's probably just whales dumping a lot and just trying to repeat the cycle. That's what they do. They repeat the cycle, right? Because they have so much of them, they can, in a way, manipulate the market as they please. Buy a lot, sell, buy. I mean, it's a dangerous cycle, but it happens. How are we looking on coin market cap? Hey, we're 38, guys. Yay! Give us some claps in the chat. We're 38. I'm talking. Nice. Oh, look who's below us. It's the Shivas. The Shivas are below us. No way. We cannot be they cannot be above us, guys. No way. The Shiba Inu is 39. That's insane. What? That's insane. And look at this. Algorand, baby. 32 ranked. That's cool. Oh, boy. Nice. So Shiba Inu on position 39 on coin market cap. I'm talking on 38. We were at 46 or 40 something, guys. Now we're up, of course, because of the price. I'm sure we were like 36 back when it was like 6 cents or so. But this is looking really delicious, everyone. Algorand at 32. Let's see what other coin is good. Tron, B-Chain. Hey, B-Chain. I know a lot of you are asking for B-Chain as well. It's on 23. Polygon, 20th. Solana, and then all of this. Venance coin, look, taking over Cardano. That's cool. So yeah, we're 38, everyone. That's so cool. That's awesome. Okay, it seems that we're coming back up a little bit more. I'll have to bounce in a couple of minutes. I'll have to bounce. Just wanted to say hello to the chat, and we got a lot of people here, and I'm super excited, super happy for all of us who are buying and holding. The holders, the diamond hands. I hope that you watch, and I'm in a way kind of like promoting this, but I'm not promoting. But I love the video from like Meet Kevin and Charles from Fox News, that it goes like, oh man, your boy Kevin just lost lots of money, and it goes like that. That's so fun. That's so fun. I love to watch that video. It's so fun. Big Z, as soon as I see the rocket today, I immediately thought of you, Oscar. Lol. Thank you, but I appreciate it so much. Carlos Rodriguez, I'm used on Shopify and Amazon. A Juniper, this amp will drop below 5 cents again. Love the rewards. Just sub, thank you so much. Buy the dip, buying the dip, buying the dip, buying the dip. Oh boy, that's amazing. That's a great video, to be honest with you. Because you guys remember the AMC and the GameStop times. That was so fun. Almost 6 cents, everyone. So those are really good news. Those are really good news, guys, for us. Almost 6 cents. It's coming up. Just take a look at this. Here it is, guys. Here it is. What's happening? Here's the battle. That's what we have to challenge for this coming week. I mean, we're already at a price that I expected us to be in the next weeks. So, can we hold there? Can we hold the line? That's what I want to know. Everyone you're watching me, please go ahead, like, subscribe to the channel, turn on those notification bells. Here's your boy Oscar Ramos. We talk about stocks, Roth IRA, and crypto. We like it, we enjoy it, we have a good time. I always tell you about diversification is key, long-term growth, little by little, and much more. And I've been really putting a lot of hard work in this channel. I'm just trying to reach as many people possible, and I know some people even want me to have a video in Spanish, but that will happen later on. I do want to reach out to my fellow Hispanic brothers and sisters, but the idea is that always liking to make money. That's it. It's time for us, the millennials, the Generation C, and even some Generation X as well, and above or below, to understand cryptocurrencies a little bit better and really have a good time, because crypto, it will come a time when we're all gonna be the smart ones, the ones who made a decision to buy these types of cryptocurrencies way earlier than anyone, right? And that's what's gonna really solidify our future. That's what I believe. People having millions of AMP tokens or hundreds of Bitcoins or thousands of Ethereum, and that's awesome. That's great. Oh, Lupulon, Texas. I'm still gonna show it here on YouTube. I have like show or hide option when it's like controversial stuff, but I'll show it. Why not, my man? Buy the dip. Almost 6 cents. Oh, 6 cents, everyone. We got 6 cents. Yeah. The 6 fam. Yes. 6 cents reach, everyone. 6 cents reach. 6 cents reached. Can we stay there? That's the question. Can we stay there? But yeah, so to sum up, everyone, we started on 3 cents in the last. That was July the 20th. So right now it's July the 25th. I cannot strongly stress that in just 5 days, this week, we touched the all-time high with AMP token. Everyone, listen. We touched the all-time, low. Touched the all-time low with AMP token this week, right here. I'm gonna make it red. There you go. Oh wait, no, there's okay. The all-time low is 2 cents. This was just the all-time low this last month, per se, of 3 cents, and just we have now moved to 6 cents, to mid 6 cents. Okay, now you can see it better. There you go. In 5 days, everyone, because right now it's July the 25th. So that is according to TradingView, and if I'm using this tool correctly, it's 72% according to this. That's pretty cool. That's nice. Monday we hit 8 cents. Carlos, if that happens, I'll be so happy. I'll be amazingly happy, everyone. There you have the chart, guys. Our resistance the last week, our resistance the last week right here at mid 6 cents, and the support our last week, which is 3 cents. And we are close to the resistance level at 6 cents. Okay? That is it. That is it, guys. Very good news. Really very good news. Now, if you allow me, I have to pee. There you go. We're back. That was good. Hands washed. Hands washed. Alrighty, everyone. That is insane. That is insane. This is what you're looking at. And yeah, as you said, room to move up more on the RSI can't be. Yes, we still have some room to move up, because remember, sometimes AM token breaks that chart, but and more. So there you have it, everyone. Honestly, very incredible stuff that we're experiencing when I'm talking right now. And my move is to wait for it to dip down again to start a new position. That's exactly what I wanted to see for I'm talking. And it's happening. So I mean, let's stay tuned for what's gonna happen for the rest of tomorrow, of today, and be ready and stay tuned for tomorrow's video. I'm sure you guys are gonna like it. Again, thank you so much, guys, for watching the live stream. Just stopping by really quick on Sundays. Typically, I don't do anything on Sundays for the video, for the channel, but I decided to stop by and chat with you guys. You're awesome always. Please go ahead, like, subscribe, turn on those notification bells if you don't mind to, so you never miss any single update. Go ahead and do your research, please. Do your research. Buy what you are able to afford losing. And don't go into debt for any investment, specifically stocks and cryptos. It's not worth it. But for real estate, that's another thing. Real estate is awesome. Anyway, guys, you take care. Have a great rest of your Sunday. And I'll see you guys very soon. Same channel, same time. You guys take care. And God bless you all. Peace, everyone. Thank you so much. Just when I reply to the last comments, thank you. Amen, brother. This guy gets it. Been holding AMP since March. I have been deeply rewarded. This is an SL token. Sinister Minister, you got it, bro. You got it. Bitboy bought 100,000. That's awesome. When it was 4 cents, I bought 235,000. Now Vitality. That is Sorry, I cannot pronounce your name. That is incredible. You're making tons of money. What's up? A new guy in the house, Juan Mendez. Hey, Juan, welcome to the chat, buddy. Go ahead, sub, turn on those notifications, and stay tuned. We got a lot to say. Golden State native, I took profit at 6 cents. And Emiliano Carrion, AMP, va a sacar de la pobreza. All right. Basically, for you guys who don't know Spanish, Emiliano says that he's going to be out of poverty due to AMP token. That is incredible. Everyone, thank you so much for that. Hey, thank you. Shout out from New York. Awesome, bro. Thank you. Go ahead and share this video and share the channel with everyone you feel they might benefit from it. You guys take care. May God bless you all. Thank you so much. Adios, everyone, and have a great rest of your Sunday. Peace. We did it, everyone. Have a good one. Enjoy.